SmartServer IoT supports LON IP-852 routing over IPv4 networks as a standard feature. This video will take you through the steps to configure this feature. Starting with a new IZOT-CT project and working in engineered mode, we start by defining the first channel to be an IP-852 backbone by name and by defined characteristics. We organize the drawing in more of a riser diagram fashion here. Next, we add channels and a router per USB adapter that is connected to the SmartServer's 4-port USB hub. Finally, a router between the IP-852 channel and the internal IP70 channel is added. Here we are using the stencil feature in CT to create a reusable collection of defined elements to aid in efficient engineering in the future. This IZOT-CT network design includes two LON FT channels connected by a logical IP-852 channel over the local IPv4 network infrastructure. I will add a device on each FT segment so we can demonstrate routing over the IP-852 channel. To use the IP-852 channel, you need to enable the feature on the SmartServer configuration UI. This is done in the LON Features tab. Enable the IP-852 feature on ETH0 LAN interface. We do this for each SmartServer in our system. The LON Features tab also includes command buttons you press to generate Service Connect messages that are used to commission the router entities inside the SmartServer while in IZOT-CT. We next use the IP-852 configuration server application to define the devices that comprise our IP-852 channel. In this example, the config server and the VNI or virtual network interface exist on the same PC. Each of the two SmartServers needs to be added to the channel as well. Using the LONWorks Interfaces control panel applet, we define an IP-852 VNI interface that will be used by IZOT-CT. In this configuration, they're running on the same PC, but it could just as well run the IP config server on a separate PC. With all of the nodes in our IP-852 channel confirmed to be healthy by their green appearance, we can start commissioning the router elements in IZOT-CT. Prior to commissioning the devices we have defined in our CT drawing, we need to go to the SmartServer CMS for each SmartServer and switch to IMM or Independent Managed mode. In this mode, all of the LON configuration is managed by IZOT-CT and not the SmartServer itself. This is accomplished by using the Action menu in the Devices widget. At this point, our SmartServers are enabled to support IP-852. We have defined a logical IP-852 channel in the config server application, and we have defined a VNI interface in the LONWorks Interfaces control panel applet. Now let's return to IZOT-CT, and in the Add-ins tab, access the network properties and connect to the interface we've just defined as our VNI. Take note how this action changed the network interface to solid green. From this point, we need to commission the router entities working outward from the network interfaces node. Select in order and use the CT right-click menu to initiate commissioning. The command buttons on the LON Features tab are used to generate Service Connect messages that are used during commissioning. The IP70 to FT10 Service Connect buttons are used to commission the next routing layer. With the LON routing infrastructure in place, we can go ahead and commission our target devices that have peer-to-peer connections defined between the switch and lamp objects of the two devices. Using a previously defined LON Scanner RNI interface, we can use LON Scanner to monitor the traffic between these two devices. As you can see from this video, it's quite responsive with very little latency. So to recap, in this video we have enabled the IP-852 routing feature on the SmartServers. We have used the IP-852 config server application to define a channel that includes two SmartServers, the config server, and a VNI PC. We have used IZOT-CT to then commission the routing elements and connect devices that are on two different LON segments. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.